Hello all. Today I am going to share how to deal with social isolation. With the term itself, you can realize social isolation is all about feeling lonely even when you are surrounded with people. You feel isolated, you feel disconnected, you feel reserved. You don't feel like you are valued, you have a worth. So these kind of feelings ponder into you like a ball and make you feel that you are not good enough and you feel social isolation. Now, why does that happen and how can you deal with it? Why does this happen is clearly because the world is busy, the people around you are busy, everybody has priorities. It's not your fault, it's not their fault. Each one of us have their own set of people, own set of requirements, own set of timings, and own set of lifestyle. So if you expect some people to be there for you 24/7, they cannot do that for you. And there is a reason to it. Because every person has their lifestyle, has their goals, have their ambitions, have their home management. Okay, so they cannot be there for you 24/7. They have their life and they have their set of friends at that point of time. So if you feel you are important but still your friends are not giving you time, it's not your fault. It's not your fault. So don't blame yourself for that. All you can do to face this social isolation is, first thing that you have to do is choose yourself. This is the right time to choose yourself over the people that have been asking you when they need help. This is the best time to invest in yourself and nobody else. Just invest in yourself and do the best possible thing that you want to do. There might be goals, there might be some aims, there might be some hobbies that you practiced before this lockdown and when you were a small kid, right? Each one of us was creative at that point of time. What has happened to our creativity? At that point of time, it was a curriculum that we have to follow, and more of a curriculum, it was more like a relaxation session for us. Okay, so go back to those colors, go back to your drawing book, go back to your paint colors, go back to your music or guitar or whatever hobby that you love doing, and just do it. Okay, don't think I am too old to do this. No, you are not. Okay, just go for your hobby. You are still young. Okay, second thing is shift your priorities from them to you. It's important that you understand this basic, that you will not always be on number one list. People change, priorities change, and so does the situations. Okay, the people you are feeling making you feel betrayed might be in a position of stress. You never know their story, so it would be wrong if we judge their story, right? But what you can do to keep yourself calm and not judge your friends for not giving you time is by shifting your priorities from focusing on them to give you attention to giving yourself the whole attention. Okay, this is what you can do. Okay, third thing, claim back your power. Yes, you have to claim back your power from people and places that make you feel you are dependent on others. You are dependent on others' opinion for survival. You are not. You are the version of you that you see in your dreams. Okay, you don't need validation from the world. You are enough. Okay, don't go around people making you feel that yes, you are acceptable. You are acceptable already. You just have to accept it. Don't go around people for that. Okay, you are enough. Then fourth point to remember is focus on your peace and your energy around you. Yes, it's the right time to be at peace. Make peace with those small pieces of your heart that have been stabbed, broken, or brutally, taken away the charm. Okay, fix those places, fix those small pieces of your heart again. Write a story that you never thought would ever happen to you, and just wait for those manifestations to happen. Okay, just give yourself the chance to be your perfect self, the back imperfect self, which is not so perfect but is good enough and is okay about their flaws. Okay, that's being beautiful, that's being perfect, and perfection is all about knowing your imperfections. Okay, just know your imperfections and you are great the way you are. Okay, last point, choose people who choose you. Absolutely, this is the right time to pick on people. Those are always waiting for your time and attention. Okay, stop giving it for those people who are not reverting you back, not texting you back, finding excuses, making you feel that they are not worthy of giving you time, or you are not worthy of their time, right? Just walk away. Don't make yourself a option in somebody's life. Be जहाँ आपकी कद्र नहीं है वहाँ आपको नहीं होना चाहिए. Simple as that. So a place where you don't belong, a place where you are not valued, you should not be there. Okay, just walk away and close doors for those people who are making you feel less, because it's all about a feeling. How you make someone feel is what decides what kind of a character you hold. Okay, so just be yourself and be your imperfect self, and stop giving discounts to the world to use you, to screw you, to make you feel sad. No, nobody owns a right for that. Okay, claim back your power and be powerful. Okay, that's all from my side. This is Garima Pradhan signing off. Bye bye.